Good afternoon, good children. How are you? How is mom and dad? Hope they are doing well like you are doing. I'm also fine. Who can remind us where we stopped yesterday in reading? Is there anyone who can remember where we stopped? Or what did we look at? Which sound did we learn yesterday? We learned sound sh. Do you remember any words that have sh sound? I hope so. If there is anyone who doesn't remember, we learned a word shop, then short, and then sheep, and many more others. I gave you an exercise to do. Did you do it? Did you make words with the sound given? The sound that was given to us was sh sound. Now get ready and we mark the work that we did. Number 1, shop. Sheep. Mark. Short. Mark. Shall. Sheep. Up. Sharp. If you have everything right, give yourself flowers. If you have failed some of them, make corrections. Thank you very much. So today, we have a story about the same sound. We are still on sh sound. The story is about Shannon. The story is about Shannon. Shannon is a young girl. Shannon is a child like you. Shannon is very beautiful, and there are some things she likes most like you do. Can we learn some song about shh before we continue? Or we already know we can sing together? So today this is our baby Shannon. Shannon likes sleeping very much. Shannon doesn't like people who make noise. Hush, 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 don't make a noise. Just quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired now. Shh, 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 shh. Hush, 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 don't make a noise. Just quiet as you can be. The baby's asleep and I'm tired now. Shh, 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 shh. So this is our baby Shannon. She was young some time back, but she grew up like everyone does, and we want to see what happens in her life. Shannon is a young, beautiful girl. She likes animals very much, but most of all, she likes sheep. Shannon also likes to dance when she's at school. She likes shaking her body, and children love to see her dancing. Can we read together again? Shannon is a young, beautiful girl. She likes animals very much, but most of all, she likes sheep. Shannon also likes to dance when she's at school. She likes shaking her body, and children love to see her dancing. Now, in our story, if we are to be honest, are there words that have sh sound. Read through again and find out whether there are any words that have sh sound. According to me, I can see the name Shannon. I can see the word sheep. I can see the word sheep. I can see the word shaking. There are very many words in the story. So, I just want you to do a very small thing for me. You write your story down in your exercise books and you simply underline the words that have sh sound. You just put a line under those words. Then another thing, you read these sentences and draw. You read these sentences and draw. Sentence number 1 says, I am going to the shop now. I am going to the shop now. Remember, you are supposed to read and draw. The sheep is eating grass. The sheep is eating grass. Number 3. It is a short tree. It is a short tree. Number 4. The ship is sailing in water. The ship is sailing in water. You only have to understand the question and then you get to know what you're supposed to draw. Thank you very much for listening to me. See you next time.